To overdraft with Truliant, you can utilize their balance backup cover, which allows you to settle checks and transactions on your checking account even if you don't have sufficient funds. This feature also covers repetitive withdrawals, and you don't need to opt in. Additionally, Truliant offers a Balance Backup Plus option, which provides extended overdraft protection, covering ATM withdrawals and debit card transactions. But you must opt in for this service. Another option is the Overdraft Transfer Service, which enables you to link your checking account to another Truliant account, offering similar benefits to Balance Backup Plus. While opting in is not required for the standard Balance Backup, it is necessary for Balance Backup Plus and Overdraft Transfer Service. To sign up, you can call 1-800-822-0382 or visit a Truliant location in person, where a customer service representative will assist you with the process.